Hi, I'm Gary Konzak. I'm Senior Electrical Engineer with Handy Quilter, and I want to introduce you to the diagnostics features of the HQ18 Avante. On your main screen, you'll see a button in the bottom right that says More. Pressing that button will take you to the More screen, which includes many features that have been introduced to you already. One of those buttons on the right is called Diagnostics. Pressing that button will take you to a menu that has 6 different diagnostics functions that can be used to test your machine. These diagnostics will generally be used in combination with working with your representative or with Handy Quilter Tech Support to diagnose any issues that you might have with your machine. However, there are a few that you might want to run yourself before you actually call a representative or call Handy Quilter Tech Support. 2 of those are the X motion and Y motion tests. These 2 tests help you to diagnose problems with your regulation system. The X motion test allows you to diagnose the encoder that's on the back of the machine, which controls the right and left movement of your machine. The Y motion test tests the encoders that are on the machine itself, going forward and reverse. Pressing the X motion button, for example, takes you to a screen which explains how to run this test. In this instance, we're running the X test. We want to have the needle up. We will move to the right and to the left slowly, and as long as we can hear the beeps, we know that that encoder is functioning properly. Pressing the back button allows us to go back to the diagnostic screen, and we can run the Y motion test now. Same basic idea, needle up, pushing forward, pushing reverse. These 2 tests will allow you to diagnose problems with your stitch regulation system and will be helpful. In some instances, you may find that perhaps your cable has come loose, slightly unplugged, and this will help you determine which connector perhaps is not plugged in properly. Again, the X motion would be for the carriage encoder at the back of the machine. The Y motion would be for the encoder that is attached to the machine. Make sure that your cables are not interfering with the motion of the wheels on your machine. If you have any other questions about the diagnostic screens, please refer to your user's manual, or you can call your local representative for help. Thank you.